Hello everyone. In this season main topic goes on AI technology. We can get support to our every work to AI features. In this video I am going to show you a cool AI assistant to, who are travel around the world. No need worry about your airline booking and find airships to go overseas and everywhere. Introducing iMean AI Deals Hunter. You can find the link from description. The main web page looks like this. You can simply create an account. Now it's open a page like ChatGPT. We can ask now about our trip. Just simply add your location and destination location, after that date also. Now we can see magic. The Deal Hunter will work for you, and they will give you all information about your trip. Just wait little moment, Deal Hunter take few seconds. After working done iMean Hunter, he will give you all links about to view, and chart summary about trip. Then we can compare prices and other things about airplane sites. They also include website links too. You can see all information from this chart and easy to download and share with friends. You can set date to perform periodically from here. And we can monitor our work going as real person doing whole process. If you are interested about this is complete free, check this out today. Link in video description. Thanks you watching us. Subscribe for more.